English tip by tip.
The art of adjectives.
Adjectives serve as modifiers that qualify or quantify nouns and pronouns. They provide additional information that helps you understand them better, enhancing both clarity and stylistic precision.
Example.
She purchased a red dress.
Placement.
Usually precede the noun they describe, attributive function.
Example.
We are experiencing exquisite weather.
However.
They also follow linking verbs, such as be, seem, or become, acting as a subject complement. Predicative function.
Example.
The weather is beautiful.
Exercise. Fishing. The coffee is hot. They live in a beautiful house. He wants a small sandwich. These are easy exercises. We are late for the meeting.
Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.